Hi friends. Today's video is going to be very useful for you who want to learn English. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, like it. Let's start today's lesson. In the video lesson, we learned the 80 most common phrases in English. Common phrases to ask how someone is. What's up? What's up? What's new? What's new? What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? How's it going? How's it going? How are things? How are things? How's life? How's life? Common phrases to say how you are. I'm fine, thanks. How about you? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? Pretty good. Pretty good. Same as always. Same as always. Not so great. Not so great. Could be better. Could be better. Can't complain. Can't complain. Common phrases to say thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. I owe you one. This means you want or need to do a favor for the other person in the future. Common phrases to respond to thank you. No problem. No problem. No worries. No worries. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. My pleasure. My pleasure. Anytime. Anytime. Common phrases to end a conversation politely. It was nice chatting with you. It was nice chatting with you. Anyway, I should get going. Anyway, I should get going.